In this video, we are going to talk about possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. The possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns are used to talk about possessions, to give information about our possessions. Now we have the subjects I, you, he, she, you, we, and they. These are the subject pronouns. But for the subject pronouns, we also have possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Like here, for I, my, for you, your, for he, his, for she, her, for you, your, for we, our, and for they, their. For example, my house is blue. Your car is very fast. His sneakers are Nike. Her pencil is on the table. Your mothers are very nice. Our teacher is friendly. Their English is really good. Now, if you notice, after possessive adjectives, you need a possession. My what? My house. Your car. His sneakers. Her pencil. Your mother's. Our teacher. Their English. So these are the possessions that we are talking about. But after possessive pronouns, we don't mention possessions because they already represent the possessions. For example, mine is blue. Yours is very fast. His are Nike. Hers, it's on the table. Yours are very nice. Ours, it's friendly. Theirs, it's really good. So we cannot say mine house. No, that is wrong. Yours car, his sneakers, hers pencil, yours mother's, ours teacher, theirs English. No, that is wrong. It's incorrect. After possessive pronouns, we don't mention possessions because they already represent the possessions. When they say mine, mine is my house. Yours is your car. His is his sneakers. Hers is her pencil. Yours is your mother's. Ours is our teacher. And theirs is their English. Here we have an example. Her pencil is on the floor. Her pencil is on the floor. If you notice, if you check here, her pencil is on the floor. Her is the possessive adjective for she. So her pencil is the object or the possession. Her pencil, and the complement or extra information is on the floor. Her pencil is on the floor. Now this man here says, my pencil is in my backpack. My pencil is in my backpack. My is the possessive adjective for I. My pencil is in my backpack. Or a different form to say this is, mine is in my backpack. Mine represents my pencil because the conversation is about pencils. This conversation is about pencils. Her pencil is on the floor. Mine is in my backpack. So mine is similar to my pencil because the conversation is about pencils. This is everything for today. Thanks for watching.